In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser. Now click on this download button. Now from this page, download Visual Studio Code for your operating system. I am going to download Visual Studio Code for Windows operating system. This is the type of installer. If you want to install Visual Studio Code for all users of your Windows operating system, then download system installer file. Otherwise, download user installer or zip archive or CLI. I am going to download Visual Studio Code for all users for 64-bit operating system. Click on this download link. It may take a while for downloading Visual Studio Code. After a successful download, go into the download folder. Now open this installer. If you get a message from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Now accept the license agreement. Then click on next. Now select the destination location where you want to install Visual Studio Code. This is the default installation location. If you want to select a different folder, click on browse and then select the folder where you want to install. But I am going to install Visual Studio Code on this location. Then click on next. Click on next. If you want to create a desktop icon, check this box. Otherwise, leave and then click on next. The setup wizard is now ready to begin installing Visual Studio Code on computer. So click on install. It may take a while for installing Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. That's it. Setup has finished installing Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. If you want to launch Visual Studio Code right now, check this box, otherwise uncheck and then click on finish. That's it. Visual Studio Code installed successfully. Now choose the theme. I am going to select dark theme and then click on mark done. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.